Writing a good quality essay can be extremely time consuming, and with all of our lives getting busier and busier every day, why not use every tool that you have at your disposal? Today, I'm going to give you 5 of the best AI writing assistants for essays that are on the market today. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First up on our list is Jasper, an AI-powered writing tool that can generate different types of content, including blogs, product descriptions, web copies, and even essays. It also can help writers get through writer's block and transform essays into different formats, tones, and languages, which is why it's also super convenient. If you're a student that's juggling many assignments and must focus on other tasks, then Jasper can help reduce your workload and save much needed time. Some key features of Jasper include being able to write your essays in over 30 languages, unlimited word generations in every plan, a Chrome browser extension to use its features directly from your browser, and so much more. Jasper is probably best for students looking for a tool to generate high-quality content with varied text creation options. While it may be costly compared to other essay writing tools, it can give the best value due to its wide range of features. And if you want to check it out for yourself, paid plans start at $49 monthly. Now, if you want to check out Jasper or any of the awesome essay writing tools I'm going to talk about, go down into the video description below. There I'll leave links available for all of them so you can try them for yourself. Now, if you do decide to make a purchase using any of these links, we may receive a commission, which goes to help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Up next is Rytr, which is an all-in-one AI writing platform that helps you create high-quality essays in just a few seconds with very minimal cost. With this tool, you can simply generate content by providing your tone, use case, section topic, and preferred creativity, and then Rytr will automatically generate the content for you. Once Rytr generates your essay, you can use the Continue Writing feature to elaborate on the content even further, even if you're not completely satisfied with the initial output. Additionally, you can also use the built-in document editor to check for plagiarism in your essay. Rytr is best for students who need a free essay writing tool and can create content quickly. Rytr does offer a free plan, and paid plans start at $9 a month. Number 3 on our list is Writesonic. Writesonic is a comprehensive content writing tool that allows you to create, edit, paraphrase, and summarize different types of content, including essays. With a built-in spell, grammar, and plagiarism checker, you can edit revisions directly from the tool before finalizing and submitting your work. However, you are only given a limit of 10,000 words for your free trial, and then after that, you'll need to upgrade to paid plans to continue using Writesonic. One awesome feature is the Sonic editor, which operates similarly to ChatGPT. You can input your desired prompt or instructions, and then it will generate your essays automatically. Although it's not designed solely for essay writing, it is capable of generating unique essays. Writesonic is probably best for bloggers and students needing more content customization and control. And the free version alone comes with over 100 different AI templates. Now, as I mentioned, there is a free version for you to check out, and if you want to explore the paid plans, those start at $19 a month. Up next is Copy.ai, which is an AI-powered writing tool that allows you to generate high-quality content, including essays and research papers. Like other chatbots, you only need to input the instructions or detailed prompts you want Copy.ai to generate, and then immediately the AI will provide you with the results. Copy.ai offers you an AI chatbot with real-time internet data access for more accurate responses, an inline doc editor for easy content creation and editing, the ability to create content briefs, and support for multiple languages. Additionally, you can leverage the InfoBase feature to help you write essays by generating content based on the text file you upload. You can ask Copy.ai to generate an essay about the uploaded file, or even create a summary about it. If you frequently do essay writing tasks, you may want to consider upgrading to a paid plan for unlimited word generation. Copy.ai is best for high school students who need help generating essays or as a starting point for their assignments. While it can generate text, it does not provide sources or citations, which most higher level students might need. But they offer a free option for you to check out, and paid plans start at $49 a month. And finally, we have Article Forge. Article Forge is an AI-powered writer that can help you write over 1,500 plus word content automatically. From blog posts to essays, Article Forge can deliver unique and high-quality content about your topic with just a single click. It can also generate content in one click by adding keywords and length. Using Article Forge to create essays is a straightforward process. You simply input your chosen keyword or essay topic along with the specifics of your instructions. Plus, you can choose from one of 7 different languages for your generated essays. In addition to its primary functions, the tool lets you customize your essays as well. You have the choice to include or exclude images and videos, and there's even an option for the tool to bypass AI detection in the generated content. Article Forge is best for master's or doctoral level students looking for an essay writing tool to produce bulk content quickly. With its bulk generator feature, you can create an essay for each keyword you input. If you want to check out this tool for yourself, plans start at $57 a month. So there you have 5 of the absolute best AI essay writing tools that are available. Before you go though, make sure you like this video and check out some of our other content, and I'll see you in the next one.